Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel, the DMG Official. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about the Signal Bots, the new cryptocurrency BTC Signal Bots and other cryptocurrency Signal Bots. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button there, and as well like my video, give it a thumbs up. I'm about to grow the channel to at least 10,000 views. Thank you. Please click on the subscribe button if you have not done that. So this is the new cryptocurrency Signal Bots, and I'll be giving you guys for free. I don't charge for my updates. I'll be giving you guys for free. Just click on it and subscribe to my channel, then I'll give you for free if you ping me on WhatsApp. So it has risk calculator to check your risk entry, balance, entry price, stop loss, take profits, anyone you want to do. It has some updates. You can read news as well. You can check the markets. You can read latest news on cryptocurrency. Then you can as well, this is the home page of the app. I'm giving you guys for free, totally free. Just notify me and like my video. So first of all, you are going to, well, I deal on BTC USD / pairs, and I've made about $2,000 so far since I started this Signal Bots, just within a week. So you just click on the BTC USD 600 pair and to load up. So as you can see, the candles, it's in the candles, the green candle suggesting, the green dot there suggesting the buy order, and the red dot there suggesting the sell order. As you can see, these are it. This is in a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. This is a 1-day time frame. This is a 1 hour and 15 minutes time frame. Anyone you want, you can do it. So this for 1 week time frame. You can as well do it that way, but I'm using the 4-hour time frame. That is it. So below here you will see some things like green, buy might, sell might. It means the signal is giving at this point in time is a might signal to buy or to sell. That's below here. You'll be seeing the time and the updates, the month, and the price of the Bitcoin. So we'll go to our signal. The green meaning the bullish trend, and the red meaning the bearish trend that's coming downwards. So to our charts, I want to select these indicators. I'm using 2 indicators here in the candles, EMA 12 and EMA 26. So I will take the 2 of them. That's it. It is loading up here. It is loading. So you can see the blue line and the red and the yellow line. That's the EMA 12 and EMA 26. So as you can see, BTC price today is around $46. So it's coming down. It's coming down to the bearish trend. It's coming down to the bearish trend. So this signal has some parts. It has some weak signal, very weak might, strong and very strong signal. Though the price to obtain these signals are too cheap. That is the cheapest of all signals I've ever seen online. So you can easily afford it, less than 1,000 naira, Nigerian currency. So that is it. This is the market indicators. So this is it. Once this green dot here is showing, it means you need to buy. You buy here and you sell here. You buy low and you sell high. Is that clear? You buy low and you sell high. Don't go and buy in the red dots. No, you just lose your money. You need to buy in the green dots. Green means go. You need to go into the market and buy. Then red means you stop. You stop going to the markets. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much. So also, I will also be teaching you guys on how not to lose with the signal boots, because the signal boots needs to be understood. I need to tell you in my next video. I need to upload. I will teach you how to use the signal boots, so zero loss in the signal boots, zero loss strategy while using the signal boots. That is it. So please kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel. Then WhatsApp me so I can put you in my WhatsApp group so we can be communicating from there. Thank you.